There are a lot of software development jobs out here, but people don't know how to apply these jobs. I tell you the truth. There are a lot of software development jobs out here, but people don't know how to apply these jobs. I tell you the truth. What's good, guys? My name is Peter, and this is just a word of encouragement to all the software developers out there. If you're in the IT field and you're really looking for a job, and you've been struggling months trying to look for a job, and you haven't got an opportunity to get a job, I tell you this, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. You know, probably you're doing everything that is needed, but you haven't yet got your breaking point, you know. Now, I'll tell you this. I was like you. You know, I am a software developer working for a company here in Thailand. I live and work in Thailand. I have been creating content online for a very long time. You can check my previous YouTube videos. At that time when I was creating those projects, I was not working. Actually, I've been so busy right now to a point where I'm really struggling in building up content, you know. But what I want to tell you, and I'm going to use this channel of mine to encourage and to help upcoming software developers, and to tell them that it's never the end. You might have all those certificates and degrees that you have acquired. You might be having the skills that you've acquired online, but you've tried applying for a job, because I go through all these websites and I see people applying for jobs and they still don't get the job. But sometimes I try actually to interview these people applying for jobs. And one thing that I've come to realize is that they don't have enough knowledge. They don't have enough knowledge. They only think that being a software developer only entails coding. No. But I always ask them to give me a process of building a full stack a full stack software application, but they end up telling me they are just specified in one sector. Bro, sis, man, you can't be like that. You cannot just be limited in your skills like that. Be a person who can be a full stack software developer. You can build up a back end, you can build up a front end, you can compile your project, put it in a jar file. You know, you can use Docker, you can use Kubernetes, you can use AWS. Be a person who you can use database. You know, you can make sure that you can put security on your system, you know. Do all these things. Push your project into GitHub, work with GitHub, work with Copilot. You know, these companies need people who can do all these things. Right now, AI is there. Also, you need to learn on how you can take your project and merge it with AI. You know, people are so limited with resources out there, but they're saying they don't have jobs. It's true, you don't have job because you don't push yourself to get more information, to learn a lot. Don't think that these companies are looking for people who, if you just say, let's say you're just a software developer, with not much skills. I don't think they're looking for that. They're looking for people who can actually be able to take a project and actually add more features into projects, you know. Another thing that I notice is that some software developers can't even express themselves in English. If you're working on a project that actually has multinational, you know, or people, it's very difficult for you to express yourself in English. You need to learn how to do that. I used to have the same problem When I went for an interview, I remember it was an online interview and I couldn't express myself clearly. I think it's because I was so scared. They told me, go back, learn how to express yourself. Because at the end of the day, you need to be able to learn how to express yourself when you're working with other software developers from the rest of the world. Remember, you're building an application that is going to be used. You know, it's a worldwide project. Probably a project can be used in Asia, a project that can be used in America, Europe. You need to be able to learn how to speak correctly in English. I tell you this, and I'm not lying to you. Right now, I'm a software developer. I work in a company here in Thailand. I got this work actually about a year ago. And before that, I used to build up a lot of projects. If you check my YouTube account, my YouTube channel, you will see videos that I did from way back. You know, at that time I didn't have a job, but I was trying to build up my profile. You know, create a LinkedIn account. Connect this LinkedIn account to your GitHub. Share your project. Share as much as you can. You understand? Try to be relevant and understand what the companies are asking for. If you let me tell you, do this. Go and apply for a job right now. If you're looking for a job, go to Google, type a job that matches your skill. Go through the description, check the description, and check what they really want you to have and what they want you to do. Take that information, put it into these AI learning models. Let these AIs break down this information in a way you will be able to understand what the company needs. Then, if you know that you're lacking some skills, go back, learn how to do that. And when you're applying for a job, I tell you this for sure, when you're applying for a job, in your letter cover, make sure you actually express your understanding to what the company wants. Just don't say, I'm a software developer applying for a job and I hope you guys will give me a job and this is what I've done. No. Tell them that you have done a background check. You understand what they want. You understand actually this is what probably they want you to do. Show them that you are ready, you are well packaged enough to do what they really want. You know, show them your skills. Put a LinkedIn account there. Put a GitHub account there. Share some project that you have done based on what they want you to do as a company, based on what they want you to do. Stop doing things in an illiterate way. Do things in a literate way. Trust you me, there are a lot of jobs out here, but people don't know how to apply for these jobs. There are a lot of jobs out here, but people don't know how actually to talk to these recruiters. There are a lot of jobs out here, but people don't know how actually to express themselves clearly in English. There are a lot of software development jobs out here, but people don't know how to apply these jobs. I tell you the truth. There are a lot of software development jobs out here, but people don't know how to apply these jobs. I tell you the truth. I tell you the truth. And if you want more information on how to do this, I tell you the truth, I'm going to leave my number down here. Contact me. Let me show you. Let me take you through steps by steps on how actually you can apply for these jobs and get them. I tell you the truth. The way you're doing it in a illiterate way. You have now to start working as a literate person, you know. Anyway, for more information, hit me up. My number is down there. You're going to find me on WhatsApp. Peace out, man. Subscribe to this channel.